Hi dear friends, today I discuss a very important news. Jamia Millia Islamia Residential Coaching Academy, the application for the admission of next batch is available now. Let us see first what is this Jamia Residential Coaching Academy. This is the building you can see here. It started in 2010. So far, 190 selections already done. In 2019, 54 students have written mains. This is working under central government. This year, 2008 seats are available for accommodation. Okay, total under in 2000 sorry 208 seats, 10 percentage is reserved for under 24 years age. So 10 percentage seats are reserved for the students who are under the 24th year. Okay. This coaching center is for SC, ST, women and minority. There is a provision, you will get classes, you will get food, accommodation, a marvelous study atmosphere. Every month there is a fees, maintenance fees of 3000 rupees you have to pay there, and application form is available for 650 rupees and an extra of 200 rupees you have to pay. So total this is the expenditure, but the government is providing stipends also. You will get stipends if you apply for government scholarship. Okay, see this year's exam centers all over India. The centers are Guwahati, Delhi, Malappuram in Kerala, Lucknow, Srinagar and Bangalore. Okay. Exam pattern, a test of multiple choice questions plus there would be an essay. You will get, if you be selected, you will get a call for an interview. After interview, you will get a seat there. What you will get there in the center? It's a good atmosphere. If you say this is the best place for civil service aspirants, that is true, because if you join Jamia, you will get many aspirants there who already qualified their prelims, mains, even attended interview. Because the students, after getting coaching from top coaching centers, they will shift to Jamia to get a good atmosphere in Delhi with the food, hygienic food, AC, air conditioned classroom as well as air conditioned library, reading room. Okay, and moreover, a very serious aspirants, very hardworking aspirants. So whenever you look left and right and back and front, you can see the friends, the aspirants who are working very hard. This motivation will keep you till you attain the goal. Okay. What they provide? They will provide coaching for general studies, prelims and mains. Second thing is coaching for CSAT paper. Third one, there are some particular optionals, you will get coaching from there. Next, if you qualify mains, you will get coaching or will get chance to attend mock interviews. They also provide test series for prelims and mains. Then evaluation, if you write mains answers, it will get evaluated. That is most important thing. And you will get essay practices also. These all are for free. If you go to the market, top level coaching centers, for optional test series you have to pay around 30,000. For mains test series you have to spend around 45,000. For general studies coaching you have to spend around 2 lakhs. CSAT paper again you have to spend. For optional you have to spend around 50,000-60,000 rupees. For essay separately you have to get coaching, you have to pay amount there also. This is the importance of this coaching center. Don't miss this chance. And if you want to get contact numbers of already selected students to get guidance, please feel free to contact me. This is a library or reading room, classroom. You will get study atmosphere there. In short, don't miss this important and very, what we can say, lucky opportunity. But be careful. 25th April is the last date. Sorry, 15th June is the last date of application. So you have some time. So you can prepare well and will get the chance there. Okay, here is the notification. You can read it. It says where the test centers, when the last date, when is the application will be open, what are the things they are providing there, and an article in the newspaper also came, even in Indian Express I have seen it. So see, go to their website and check is it comfortable for you. And if you want any help regarding this, feel free to contact me. Contact number will be given in description box. Okay, thank you very much.